Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up environment variables securely in Docker step by step clearly. To set up environment variables securely in Docker, start by defining your application requirements. Create a directory for your Docker project. In that directory, create a file named .env. This file will house your environment variables. Open the .env file in a text editor. Add your variables in the format key equals value. Ensure that sensitive information, like passwords, is stored here. Next, create your Dockerfile in the same directory. In the Dockerfile, specify the base image for your application. For example, you might use from Node 14 for a Node.js application. Now, add the line to copy the .env file into your image. Use the command copy.env for this purpose. Next, make sure to install any necessary dependencies by adding the relevant commands in your Dockerfile. Once you have your dependencies set, configure your application to read from the .env file. In the case of Node.js, you can use the .env package to load environment variables. After that, create a dockercompose.yml file in your project directory. In this file, specify the version using version 3. Define your services under the services key. For your application, specify the build context using the current directory. To reference the .env file, add the env_file property. Set the value of env_file to .env. This ensures that Docker Compose reads the environment variables from your .env file. To build your Docker image, run the command docker compose build in your terminal. Once the build is complete, start your services with Docker Compose up. Verify that your application is running with the correct environment variables. You can access the application logs to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you need to make updates to your environment variables, simply edit the .env file. Remember to rebuild your Docker image when you make changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.